So our today's video is based on our new topic, molarity. Molarity basically means number of moles of solute present in 1 liter solution. I hope you all know what we meant by solvent and solute. Any solution any solution is based on any solution is formed by two components, which is solute and solvent. Solute, the substance which is present in small amount, which is present in small amount, and solvent. Solvent is the substance which is present in large amount. For example, if we have a sugar solution, that means sugar crystals are dissolved in water. Here the amount of sugar will be less than water, right? So sugar will be here solute and water will be solvent. Sugar will be solute here, water will be solvent here. Now, sometimes we find it difficult to understand which is solute and which is solvent. I have a trick for that. Solute, which is present in small amount. As you can see, solute has less number of alphabets in its spellings. That means solute है जेड़ा उदे spellings छोटे ने and उदी amount भी घट है, small है. Similarly solvent ਦੇ spellings भी ਵੱਡੇ ਨੇ और उदी जेड़ी amount है वो भी large है. ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ relate ਕਰਕੇ learn ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ solute spellings छोटे, amount भी less and solvent spellings ਵੱਡੇ, amount भी large होएगी. Now come on our molarity. Now, second question is find molarity of 4.9 gram sulfuric acid present in 500 centimeter cube of solution. Here again we'll write as molarity is equal to number of moles upon volume in liters. Number of moles is given mass upon molar mass upon volume in liters. Given mass is 4.9. When we will calculate the molar mass of sulfuric acid, it will comes out to be 98 and volume will be 500 upon 1000 using this unit conversion. Okay, so when we will cut it out, here it will be 1/10, that is 0.1 molar. I suppose you can do the calculation. It is simple calculation. By removing this decimal, you can cut it on 2. है ना? Similarly, you can cut it on 2. Okay, then next question is find mass of sodium carbonate Na2CO3 present in 100 ml of 3 molar solution. Mass of sodium carbonate present in 100 ml of 3 molar solution. First of all, I'll write formula of molarity. Here I have given the molarity 3 molar. Number of moles is not given, है ना? Number of moles we can't calculate because given mass is nothing. Mass we have to calculate, that is the question. Okay, so number of moles I'll write it as it is. Volume is 100 ml. To convert it in liters, I have to divide it by 1000. So number of moles will be calculated as 3/10, है ना? 3 3 by 10, that is 0.3. Now to calculate this mass, we'll write number of moles, formula of number of moles, given mass upon molar mass. Number of moles comes out to be 0.3. Mass I have to calculate. Molar mass of sodium carbonate comes out to be 106. So mass here it will be 31.8 gram. So this type of questions can also be asked in the concept of molarity. Here just twist is in question, nothing else. Okay, next question. Next question is find molarity of 10% weight by weight. Weight by weight, volume by volume, there is a different term to express concentration. We'll study it after some time. Aqueous solution, find molarity of 10% weight by weight. Aqueous solution of sulfuric acid and density of solution is 1.1 gram per ml. Now here we have to calculate molarity. Formula of molarity is number of moles upon volume in liters, है ना? I have no given mass, no given volume. Now what I have to do? But here the different thing is 10%. We have to use 10%. 10% weight by weight means 10 gram of solute in 100 gram solution, है ना? 10 gram solute in 100 gram solution. 10% means 10 gram solute in 100 gram solution. Here solute is sulfuric acid. That means 10 gram sulfuric acid in 100 gram solution. Now when we have to calculate the molarity, we need volume of solution. Volume of solution is here. Volume of solution is here. That is 100 gram. Volume nahi, mass. Mass of solution is 100 gram. Volume we have to calculate. Volume. How we'll calculate? In the question we have given density. We'll use this mass and this density to calculate the volume. Volume will be equal to mass upon density. Volume will be equal to mass upon density. Mass is 100 gram. Density is 1.1 gram per ml. 1.1 gram per ml. Okay, when we'll put all the things here, number of moles, 10 gram solute given 10 gram. When we'll calculate its molar mass, it will be 98 and volume will be 100 upon 1.1. But here is an additional thing. It is in ml. We have to calculate it in liter. So we'll multiply it here by 1000. Okay. I hope you can calculate it. If there is any problem, you can ask me. Okay, in the calculations. We have to do lot of questions. That's why I am leaving the calculations upon you people. Okay. Then next question is, if 120 gram urea, the formula of urea is NH2CO NH2. If 20 gram urea is dissolved in 1000 gram water, find molarity of solution. Density is given as 1.12 gram per ml. Density is given as 1.12 gram per ml. Okay, here molarity is given as, molarity we have to calculate. Molarity is equal to number of moles upon volume in liter. Number of moles I can calculate. Given mass is here. Urea, the given mass have 120 gram. We can calculate molar mass. But the problem is in volume. Problem is in volume. Okay. Here is given density and mass. So we can use the formula of density. But here is a problem. In the last question, the mass of solution was given, but here mass of solvent is given. Mass of solvent is here and mass of solute is here. So mass of solution will be mass of solute plus mass of solvent. Mass of solute is 120 gram. Mass of solvent is 1000 gram. So it will be 1120 gram. Okay. Volume again I have to calculate mass upon density. 112 gram upon 1.12 है ना. When we will calculate it, it will be 1000 ml, which is 1 liter. When we will put here 120 upon 60 upon 1, its molarity will be calculated as 2 molar. Its molarity can be calculated as 2 molar. Okay. Then next question is find molarity of what? Okay. Find molarity of water if given density of water is 0.9 gram per ml. Before doing this question, I am giving you an important information which is very much useful in case of molarity of water, which is that if density of, it is in case of water, important one, if density of water is given as 1 gram per ml or 1000 gram है ना, 1000 gram, or you can write it as 1 kg by 1 liter है ना, both are the same things, then your molarity of water will always comes out to be 55.5555 molar. It will always comes out to be 55.5555 molar. Okay, I am telling you the way how you can check that answer comes out to be this or not.